Now, if you have a smartphone, listen to me very well. If you have a smartphone, anyway, if you don't have a smartphone, this is the right time you buy yourself a smartphone. It's gonna be a necessity. Just in the near future, it's gonna be a necessity for one to have a smartphone. For everyone to have a smartphone, it's gonna be a necessity. Anyway, leaving that one aside, if you have a smartphone and you're not making at least a little dime out of your smartphone, if you're not making a little dime out of your smartphone, then it is a loss to yourself. One, you can earn money either on the social medias like TikTok, you earn money on YouTube, you monetize your content, you do whatever content you do, you monetize and you get some money. Then there is what we call forex trading, there is what we call cryptocurrency trading and whatsoever. So today I introduce to you cryptocurrency trading, where you're gonna be using the BOT, or call it a robot that's gonna be trading for you. Amazing. A robot trades for you even when you are asleep. The robot will continue trading. It buys when the prices are low and it sells when the prices are high. So it's better for you to join this cryptocurrency. You need the Binance app in your account and the Royal Q. The Royal Q is what we call the robot that's gonna trade for you. So if you don't mind, if you need to learn more, just inbox me. Inbox me and tell me I need to learn more. Or just put in the comment section, I need to learn more. Yeah, for you to earn an extra income using your smartphone. You can continue working your 9 to 5 job, but as well as you're earning something extra from your smartphone, from your data. Your data shouldn't only just for sharing gossip and whatsoever. Thank you very much.